Hey, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Airtable to Voiceflow. So we're going to head over airtable.com, sign in for our account, and then we're going to head over voiceflow.com also. We're going to have here also an account, and then we're going to set up for example, the chatbot or the AI tool that we need. So we are going to click on it, and then we are going to click on design. Now, what are we going to do is to head back to Airtable after the data source is set up, as you can see, and everything. So we can go ahead and head over the integration in here. And then we're going to have maybe the API key for that specific, as you can see, bot. Now, I'm going to head over here and we're going to set up the data source. So I'm going to head over or head to the dashboard yet, and then we're going to have also as you can see, the agent. So you can go ahead and set up a new agent or set up or design, let's say here, the old agent that you have already. Now, after you have selected the agent of yours, you're going to head over the workflow, select the workflow that you want, edit it, or create another workflow for it, and then you're going to see it right there. Now, what I am going to do to add to this workflow, we're going to head over the developer mode, click on API, and we are going to drag and drop it in here. So basically, we are going to have, as you can see here, API. We are going to get, for example, get, post, put, patch, or whatever. You can go ahead and put or request a URL or a variable, and that URL or variable is going to be in the Airtable. Now we are going to set up the thing in here. So we are going to, I have mistakenly deleted that. We're going to click on here. So we have also the header. You can go ahead and enter the header and also the value, but we are going to enter only the header. We're going to head over Airtable. Then we are going to head over the business hub or the builder hub. How we can get that or to there, we're going to head over the account and we're going basically here to head over the API, go to the developer hub. Now we're going basically to have our personal access token. We're going to create a new one, and that is going to be for our voice flow. Voice flow. So we're going to have it together. Then the scopes, we're going to add the current data and also the comments as much as we want. So I'm going to add all of these. Also, we are going to have the base schema. For the base, you're going to select here, as you can see, the project management or the base that you have in here. Then you're going to create the token. We're going to copy that token. Now we're going to head over here and we're going basically to have our token in the header. So we are going to have it right there. And on the get URL or the variable, we're going to get it from this specific developer web page. I'm going to leave it to the specific description box in here. So we are going to copy that. We are going to have this. So we are going to head over the developer web API in here, get record, copy the request. So the request URL is going to be like that. So here we are going to have the base ID and the table ID or name. Also, we have the record. So you can go ahead and have here the base ID. You can add a base ID, for example, create the variable in here, and then set up whatever you want also for the table or the name and also the record. When you set up these, you're going to have them right there. So we need to, as you can see here, relate it to our workflow by connecting it in here. So to one of the workflow right there. So you can go ahead and have a workflow, create it to this specific point, for example, like that. And then you're going to select whatever it is going to have in here. Basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.